Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Remember me? Yes, you do. And just look at this view, you can't miss it. It seems like God is going to appear from that side, bless me, and say, "Welcome to heaven, my child."
Wow!
Never thought this thing would make me look privileged one day. And Shimla's weather is so unpredictable these days. Look at this weather. The weather was so rough 2-3 days ago. Today my mom is making this beautiful looking delicious dish which is called pude in our language. So the purpose behind making them is that my mom is really happy today. She is really happy and blessed to have me as her daughter. Just kidding, guys. Let's take a bite. And this is my mom plucking beans. And this is our field actually where we grow crops and vegetables. So this is like a mini field. And this is never ending saga. Meanwhile, I made some tea for my mom. Have some prasad. There's lots of spinach in here. We often make chutney out of it, and it's super delicious. And don't be mistaken, my friend, it's not a ghost. I'm applying a face mask on my face. A face pack actually. Let me know in the comment section what plant it is. Thanks for watching my vlog. How did you like it? Let me know in the comment section below. Bye bye.